How to fix KB5072033 0x800f0983 error in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, you may encounter this error code when trying to install December 2025 security update for Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. We have tried multiple troubleshooting tips to fix this error, but they didn't work either. The methods that work in this case are reinstall using Windows Update Repair version and in place upgrade. So follow the steps in the methods. The first one, fix using Windows Update Repair version. For this, click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now for this. Click on OK on this pop-up. After clicking on OK there, the system will start checking for updates. And a repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be downloaded. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on Restart now. Your computer will restart a couple of times and the repair version will be installed. After that, try to install the security update. If the issue still persists, perform in place upgrade. To perform in place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on download Windows 11, scroll down, under download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices, click on select download, select this option, Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now select the product language. Check the language first so that you can avoid any mistake. For this, click on start, go to settings, click on time and language, go to language and region. Windows display language is English United States. This is the product language. Click on choose one and select the language here. If found there, click on confirm. Then click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to the Downloads folder, which is generally the download location. Select the just downloaded ISO file and click on Mount. On the Open File Security warning pop-up, click on Open. Right-click on setup.exe and select Open. Uncheck this box. I want to help make the installation better. This option will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. For applicable notes and license terms, click on Accept. On this window, click on Install. Your computer will restart a couple of times and Windows 11 will be installed. Along with this installation, the security update will be installed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.